you in the last video, I am, as you can see, already in another apartment. It's happened a lot. The 2 weeks went by so fast, and yeah, I couldn't film a lot, but it is how it is. Now I am in Cape Town. We stay 1 week in this apartment and then 4 to 6 weeks in the other apartment. It's not that sure at the moment, but we will see. So I will give you a quick view into the apartment. It's very messy because, I mean, we are staying just 1 week and obviously I don't put all my clothes off the suitcase and into the... what is it? Then we will see what's going on in the next few days. So this is the entry. There's our door for the car. We can drive in and park right there. So this is the entry door. Right next to the entry we have the bathroom. So just a quick view. So whoop. There's the shower, the toilet, all our stuff already, and yeah, a mirror a little, and that's it. Then if we look into our room, we can watch right to the end. First we have our kitchen area, so it's quite enough for a week. Then there's our table, my working space, our eating space, everything together. And in the end, there's a sofa, couch, 2 chairs, and our bed. We have a little garden space, so I won't go out because of the mosquitoes, but I will show you. It's, yeah, very cute, very nice. Right there in the edge we have a garden shower. So hello, back again. So again we're in a new apartment. Saturday we changed our room, our apartment. Now we're living here at Big Bay in Cape Town. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick view into our new apartment. We're staying here for 4 to 6 weeks. It's not sure at the moment, but I just wanted to show you. And yeah, so in the next following minutes you will see some nice footage of Cape Town, of the sunset, and then we went to a hike on the Chapman's peak hike. So stay tuned, and I hope you stay till the end because the hike will be right at the end, I think. So let's dive into it. Yeah. Just by the way, yesterday we did the hike. We burned a lot. I just wanted to show you because usually I'm white like this, and more often I travel to this country, I think, or to warm weather countries, the faster I turn brown or tan. I just wanted to show you my bag. So, oh, as you can see, okay, it's quite wet or brown. I think it turns into brown after the wet. So yeah, I'm actually really glad. So this is the entryway, and then you see right the living room area. So a big table, a working table for me, whilst I'm editing this vlog now. And yeah, so when you turn white, there's our big kitchen. It's really big. It has everything we needed and yeah, all we need. And yeah, it's really amazing actually, because I don't have this nice kitchen in my home. So look at this oven. It's really big. You could bake a family pizza in it, actually. And then I love those white and wooden design, you know. So, and we have a washing machine, a dishwasher, a microwave, so if we go straight, there's our couch, TV, fireplace, so there's our laundry, so excuse for the mess. And yeah, then we have our balcony, so it's actually quite big. When we go through now to the right, there's a small way, and there is our bedroom. But first, here's the bathroom. I will just turn the light on. So there it is, a really nice bathroom. Last but not least, our bedroom. So, and the bed, I can tell you, it's so comfy. It's a big mattress and it's so comfy. And as you can see, there are the windows. We can just wide look onto the balcony, and yeah, if we want to, we can go outside there and we can see the ocean from here. Yeah. It's beautiful. So this is my hiking outfit. Let's see if it's protecting enough for the sun and my head. And so today we're going on a hike on the Chapman's Peak trail, and we'll see what's going on there. It's not our first time here at this place, but the beauty of Africa still makes us breathless, every time. We are so thankful for being here in this beautiful country and enjoying every single moment. Since a long inner restlessness, I can finally think about that this is a feeling I've always looked for, but I can't tell myself for sure. We want to say thank you to everyone who stayed till the end. If you liked our journey so far, please leave a subscription, like or comment. And yeah, then we're glad to see you in the next video.